Hey, this is Homelink 4.5, Multiplication Fact Shortcuts. Your child is learning the basic multiplication facts now. Listen to your child explain multiplication fact shortcuts as he or she works through the problems. Review some of them. We've reviewed 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s to make them easier. Multiplication facts like 1 times 3 equals what equals 2 times 4, 5 times 5 equals what, and 10 times 4 equals what. Please return this home link to school tomorrow. Your child should be able to tell you about the multiplication fact shortcuts and the turnaround rule. So if your child knows that 3 times 4 is 12, it would help them know 4 times 3 is 12. So number 1, they should know their 2's and know that it's just double. So 2 times 5 is going to be 10. And the turnaround rule, 5 times 2, is also going to be 10. If they know what equals 5 times 3, which is going to be 15, they should know what equals 3 times 5. They should also be able to explain to you what it means with the equal sign and that it's okay to have the multiplication fact on the farther side instead of the left-hand side. They should know 10 times 2 is 20, and the turnaround rule, 2 times 10 is 20. They should also be able to explain to you that if 1 is multiplied by any other number, the product is that number. The same is true if any number is multiplied by 1. So 1 times 9 is going to be 9. 9 times 1 is going to be 9. 1 times 90 is going to be 90, and 90 times 1 is going to be 90. They can even impress you with 365 times 1 is 365, and 1 times 365 is 365. Your child should also be able to tell you that if 0 is multiplied by any number, the product is going to be 0. The same is true if any number is multiplied by 0. So 0 times 12 is going to be 0. No matter what it is, when there's a 0 multiplying, it's going to be 0. 12 times 0, 0. 99 times 0 is going to be 0. And 0 times 99 is going to be 0. Then they can really amaze you with 9,365 times 0. It's going to be 0. And 0 times 9,365 is going to be, yep, you guessed it, 0. Down on these, on 10 through 15, they should be able to use some skip counting that they've learned coming up through the grades, counting by 10s, by 5s, by 2s, and that should help them with 10 through 15. So it's 10 skip counted twice is going to be 10, 20. 5 times 4, so I'm going to count by 5s 4 times, 5, 10, 15, 20. 9, and I can skip count it twice, so 9 is 18, or I can skip count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, whichever way they need to do it. 2 times 7, I can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, or I could just go 7 and 7 is 14, my double rule. 5s, I can go 5, 10, 15, 20. Whoops, sorry, I went too fast. 5, 10, 15, or count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 10 times 5, I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. They will be learning these with a little more accuracy and speed. If you have any questions, please email me at school. Thank you very much.